How should zakat be paid on land? Is it sufficient to pay zakat on it once for a number of years when it is sold?
If any land is purchased for the purpose of selling, for doing business, then zakat should be paid 2.5% of the value of the land every year. So once you possess the land and if 1 year passes, then you have to pay 2.5% of the current value. So whichever date you have chosen to calculate zakat, it should not be on the price at which you purchased. The price may go up of land, the price may go down. So whatever is the present value of the land that you possess, the moment 1 year is completed, after you have acquired it, you have to pay zakat 2.5% on it. And suppose you have a land for several years and you have to pay every year from whatever other wealth you have. But if you don't have any other wealth and it's only land that you have and you're unable to pay the zakat, paying every year is the best. But if you're unable to pay if you don't possess any other wealth, that time as a last resort, which is not recommended, but as a last resort if you don't have any money, then you can delay the paying of zakat till the time you sell it. And when you sell it, if you possess the land for 5 years and you haven't paid zakat, so when you sell it, you have to pay 5 into 2.5. But you have to note down the value of the land every year. The first year the value may be X, second year it may be Y, third year it may be Z. So note down the value every year, and if you give 2.5% of that value that year, and you have to add up 2.5% each year, add up the 5 years, and then that amount you have to give after you sell the land. But the best is to give it as soon as possible.
Thank you, Dr. Zakir.